I guess in the meeting last week, Tuesday, I have made it abundantly clear what I find of the entire process under the restoration law. Repeating those sentiments on this occasion will not add any extra value to the discussion. It was Government Commissioner Van Rij at the time who envisioned the appointment of commissioners to happen in March 2022, this year. This would give whoever was to be appointed at least 1 full year, leading to the next elections, to make an impact and to support the Island Council on its quest to the return of our local democracy. Well, it's now October the 4th, just 5 months away from the election date, March 15 next year. In my view, the impact that these newly appointed commissioners will have will be very limited. I also do not envy the PLP party, as it will be their commissioners who will have the task to make the difference in such short period of time and to show that we are entitled to our full democratic government, instead of prolonging this half-baked situation we are in under the restoration law already for far too long. Madam Chair, I have voted in favor of the appointment of those 2 commissioners. I did that not because they are my favorite candidates, but because I want to show my solidarity with the other members of the Island Council in their quest to get this undemocratic situation we are in behind us as quickly as possible. It should be clear, though, that I stand by my point of view, which I have explained over and over. It is for me unacceptable that this undemocratic situation Statia is in will still continue after March 15th next year, no matter how limited the impact of the appointment of these 2 commissioners may be. Madam Chair, I wish them, the commissioners, the PLP party, the entire Island Council, but also the government commissioners, much success and wisdom.